you are. So today we're going to make some treacle toffee. Lana's just in the background painting if you can hear her. So ingredients wise, you need some malt vinegar, English butter, granulated sugar and some black treacle, and then obviously some kind of tin to put them in. So all you need to do first is slowly melt your butter, and then you'll start to add all the other ingredients. Nice and melted, so now I need to add 3 tablespoons of black treacle and 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar. Gooey goodness. Another one. Okay, so I've already put 1 teaspoon of the malt vinegar in, so there's the second one. Next, I'm going to put in the sugar. Now I'm just tipping in the sugar, and I'm going to heat it gently until the sugar's all dissolved. Heat it gently until the sugar's all dissolved, and then I'm going to bring it to the boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to scoop a little bit out and put it into a little bowl of cold water, and if it forms a ball, it's ready. And then I'll put it into a baking tray, shallow one as much as possible, lined with parchment, and then wait till it cools. So we'll see what it turns out like. Here it's looking so far, so I'm boiling it gently for 10 minutes, stirring continuously. It smells amazing. Just dropped a little bit of it into cold water and it's formed a ball, so we're ready to go into our baking tray. And I'm just going to pour it into the tray. Doing this one-handed. So good. In there now, so you need to let it go cold, and then you can cut it up into pieces, and then it's ready to go. I'm cooling in the fridge now for about 20 minutes or so. I've just chopped it up. It's still a bit warm, so I'm going to put it back in the fridge, but I just wanted to cut it before it got too hard to cut it. But there we go. That's the finished treacle toffee. It looks absolutely divine. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon. Next craft you can do with your toddler, so all you need is some chocolate fingers, some hundreds and thousands, and a little bit of warm water, and we're making edible sparklers. Right, so all you do is just dip the end of your finger into the warm water, and then just swirl them around in the sprinkles, and there's your edible firework. You're going to do one, dip him into the water. That's it. Make him nice and wet, and then put him in the sprinkles. Roll him round. That's it. Good job. There you go. Edible fireworks. Good job, Alana. Alana's having fun making them all. You do another one? Good job. I've been fired. She won't let me do any. You're doing such a good job. Well done. And there we have it, edible sparklers. Thanks for watching, take care, speak soon.